Welcome to Brockton High School's virtual open house for our Vocational and Career Education Department.
Hi everyone, my name is Sean Desmond and I am the coordinator of Vocational and Career Education here at Brockton High School. I want to welcome you and thank you for joining us tonight. For tonight's presentation, we're going to talk about all of the VCE course offerings we have here at Brockton High, from our vocational program in automotive, construction, and graphics, to our SOAR program, which is our partnership with Southeastern, to our Innovation Pathways Healthcare program, where students learn all about the careers in the healthcare industry, and finally, about our career and technical electives we have here for students. If you have questions throughout the night, please feel free to put them into the live chat. I'll do my best to answer them as we go along during the night and at the end of the presentation. All right, let's get started.
To begin, we're going to watch a short video that highlights all of the great things we have to offer in the VCE department. I'm going to ask you to think about 3 questions as you watch it. These are the same questions I asked all the 8th graders when I met with them in February. The questions are, what do you see? What thoughts go through your mind as you watch the video? And what questions do you have as you watch the video? Here we go. Well, what did you think? As I talk about the various programs tonight, I hope that any questions you have will be answered. I also want you to think about a few other things as I talk about the programs tonight. These are directed right at you, the 8th grader watching tonight. 1. What do you want to do after high school? 2. Are these programs a good fit? And 3. Will these programs help you reach your goals? Not every program I talk about is going to be a great fit for every person, but I guarantee there's at least one program or course that we offer that will be of interest to you and help you achieve whatever goals you wish to pursue. The first area I want to talk about tonight is our vocational programs. These are 4-year programs, much like what you would see at a vocational school like Southeastern. Students apply for the program, participate in an exploratory process where they visit all of the vocational shops we have to offer, then apply for a specific program where they receive training in a specific vocational area. We have 3 vocational shops here at Brockton High. We have automotive technology, construction technology, and graphic communications. For automotive technology, you get to work in an auto shop. You learn about car engines, brakes, tires, changing oil. The shop also services cars from staff members at Brockton High, along with various Brockton community members. You will also earn certifications that will help you to get an entry-level job at any local auto shop. For construction technology, you get to experience working in a wood shop. You get to learn how to design various construction projects, use all the tools available in the wood shop, and then build your designs. Students have built things like model houses, sheds, and even these pieces for the United States Air Force. In this shop, you will also earn various certifications that will help you to work as an employee in the construction industry. Our third shop is graphic communications, and it works in 2 parts. In the lab portion of graphics, you learn how to use Adobe programs like Photoshop, InDesign, and Illustrator. After mastering the art of using these programs, you get to work in the print shop and print your own designs, along with items for various areas in the Brockton Public Schools, like posters for schools and tickets and programs for the music, art, and drama departments. Just like the other shops, you can earn various certifications to help you gain employment in the graphic design and printing industry.
Hi, my name is Sean Goss, and when I first started this program, I wasn't so sure about how I felt towards it, but as the course went through, I realized that this class lets you express your creativity and your ideas and turn them into actual projects and art that people could actually see and that you could actually be proud of. This class and program has also changed my view on how much time and practice even little things take. And overall with this program, I think that the people in this program and the teachers in this program want to see your ideas and they want you to succeed as your work goes through.
A program we are piloting this year with our vocational programs is called CTE Folio. It allows our vocational students to submit videos and pictures of their work, tag specific competencies they are learning and mastering, and then create their own e-portfolio that they will be able to use when they are applying for jobs, scholarships, and schools. Here's a brief video from CTE Folio explaining how it all works.
CTE Folio is an online portfolio specially designed for career and technical education students. You can capture, document, and organize the unique skills you're building in CTE and develop a career-ready portfolio to share with your teachers, peers, and potential employers. Here's how to use it. Log in with the username and password created for you. These are case-sensitive. Let's take a look at the Challenges page. Your teachers will create and assign challenges for you. Challenges will prompt you to show evidence of your skills and progress in your CTE program. Take a challenge in 3 steps. Step 1. Read the directions. You can look up words with the dictionary or translate phrases into Spanish, French, Portuguese, or Haitian Creole.
4. ¿Cómo está usando las matemáticas para hacer esta conversión?
Step 2. Respond to the challenge using multimedia. Upload a photo or video from your computer or phone. Describe your response by typing or using text-to-speech. Step 3. Tag your skills. What knowledge, skills, or abilities did you demonstrate through this challenge? Tag up to 3 that you think you showed most clearly. Click the I to review the definition of each tag. Now you can submit your challenge response. Your completed challenges show up on the My Work page. If your teacher leaves comments on your challenge response, you'll see them here. If you want to share your work, you can create a folio to showcase your best challenge responses. Select the ones you want to share and add them to a folio. Title and describe your folio to tell your viewers what it's all about. Click and copy the share link to share it publicly. Preview your folio to see it the way your viewers will see it. Thanks for checking out CTE Folio.
All of these programs are application-based, which means you need to apply for them. If you are interested, you can ask your guidance counselor for more information. You can also access the application on the BPS website or through the infographic brochure that you received from your guidance counselor after the 8th grade presentations in February. The next area I want to talk to you all about is our SOAR program. And the SOAR program is a new partnership that we have with Southeastern. How the SOAR program works is quite simple. First, you come to Brockton High School during the day and take all of your academic classes. In the afternoon, you get on a bus, you go over to Southeastern, and you participate in one of their vocational programs. Because of this partnership we have with Southeastern, we get to actually offer 9 more vocational shops for students. So we can offer automotive, business and marketing, cosmetology, culinary arts, dental assisting, early education, engineering, machine technology, and medical assisting. To participate in the SOAR program, there's 2 ways you can go about it. First, you can apply through us at Brockton High School. So just like if you were applying for our vocational programs, you could also apply that you are interested in the SOAR program. The other way to get into the SOAR program is really to apply to Southeastern and tell them, hey, I'm interested in attending the SOAR program. Applying through Southeastern also gives you a few different options because you could be accepted into their full day school program and participate as a Southeastern student. Or you could say, I really want to do my academics at Brockton High School, but also want to do some of my vocational training at Southeastern. We've covered two areas already, our vocational programs at Brockton High School and also the SOAR program, the partnership with Southeastern. The next area I want to talk to you about that you can apply for is our Innovation Pathways Healthcare program. This program is all focused on healthcare careers, so it's areas in the healthcare industry. Like the vocational program and the SOAR program, the Innovation Pathways program is also an application program. When people think about healthcare careers, what do they think about? They think about doctors, they think about nurses, but what about all the other careers and positions that exist to make sure that doctors and nurses can do their jobs? That's where this program fits in, because it's really about all those other careers. So being maybe a nurse assistant or a lab technician or a medical office manager or a bioengineer or an accountant or an IT support technician. There's so many areas and careers available in the healthcare industry that people don't even know about, and this program is to help you learn about those. We've talked about our vocational programs, about the SOAR program, about the Innovation Pathways Healthcare program, and now I want to briefly talk about all of the career and technical elective courses that we have to offer at Brockton High School. For our electives, we have a ton of different offerings for you, and these are really just to try out different things and see what you like, see what you don't like. We have business courses. So if you want to learn more about accounting or finance or marketing or how to create your own business plan, you're going to want to take some business classes that we have to offer. We have courses for computer science, computer engineering. So if you love working with computers, creating computer programs, figuring how they work, we have courses for that.
Brockton High has a great computer science program. You can learn about and program your own self-driving car. You can develop mobile applications for iPhones and Android devices. You can program a computer to think for itself and play games like rock, paper, scissors. You can learn about computer hardware and go inside laptops, desktops, cell phones, and even tablets. You can build and manage complex computer networks using Cisco routers and switches. You even have the opportunity to earn 3 industry certifications and 16 college credits.
If you like engineering, figuring out how to build things and make things and design things, we have engineering courses for you. If you want to learn how to become a certified nursing assistant, we have a health assisting program, so you can take some classes to learn about nursing. Who here likes to cook and try out new recipes and make food for yourself or other people? We have a hospitality management and culinary program where you get to do just that. Make food for yourself to try it out and make food for other people in our BHS Fine Arts Cafe, which is our school restaurant. We also have our DECA program, which is our school store. And you get to learn how to design products, market products, and really go out and sell them in our school store, which we now have both in person and we have an online virtual store that people can go to and buy all of their boxer gear. Have you ever wanted to learn how to fly a plane or learn how they actually fly? New this year is our aviation program. Students can begin taking courses as 9th graders and continue on through their BHS career learning about the aviation industry.
The Brockton High Aviation Initiative was designed to rebuild the pilot population in the aviation industry from the ground up. By providing high-quality STEM-based aviation education to high school students nationwide, AOPA, that's the Aircraft Owners and Pilots Association, is opening the door to aviation careers for thousands of teens. The courses are designed to capture the imagination and give students from diverse backgrounds the tools to pursue advanced education and careers in aviation fields. Working with professional instructional designers, AOPA is offering a 4-year high school aviation STEM program that falls along 2 tracks: pilot and unmanned aircraft systems or drones. The program conforms to math and science standards and, keeping with career and technical education best practices, will lead to a certification or industry-accepted test, such as the FAA Private Pilot Knowledge Test or the Part 107 Drone Pilot Certification.
This is just the tip of the iceberg. We have so many CTE elective offerings at BHS. Many of these programs also offer the opportunity to receive industry-recognized certifications and credentials. For example, in our health assisting program, you have the opportunity to earn your CPR first aid certification, home health aid certification, and your certified nurse assistant certification. In our culinary program, you have the opportunity to receive certifications through ServSafe and ProStart. In our computer science program, you have the opportunity to receive certifications through Cisco and also earn free college credits through Massasoit Community College. I could go on and on. What I really want you to take away from all this is that we have a wide variety of courses and programs for Brockton students that will lead them to earn various levels of industry-recognized certifications. Through our programs, they will be trained and ready to pursue any future endeavors they wish. Why BHS? I could continue to tell you about all of the amazing things Brockton High has to offer. I just talked about some of them with our vocational programs, the SOAR program, Innovation Pathways Healthcare program, and the CTE electives. But I think it's better to hear from some students. This short video was filmed and edited by our TV production program. It's just an example of something else that we offer here at BHS.
The reason I've come to love Brockton High School is primarily due to the staff and teachers. And my time here, in my 4 years here, it's just been amazing. I have never felt so supported and so well appreciated as I have received from these teachers.
One of the reasons I love Brockton High is because of how many different people there are here. There's so much diversity and you can learn so much from so many people, and you can learn a lot about heritage and culture.
I love BHS because, it's such a wide variety of people that, I've met a great amount of people I've really never expected to meet. It's helped me find out where I belong in life. And the nursing program has helped that a lot. It's, it's helped me choose my career essentially, what I want to do with my life. I've realized that I want to help people and this is my outlet.
I love BHS because there's a lot of diversity. It's not like one ethnicity just stay there. Like I don't like being in like a plain school, and I like this. Like there's many different ethnicities around this school, so that's one reason why I love BHS.
I like BHS because of the arts program and the options they give you in the arts program. You get to learn and better your skill into whatever you feel comfortable doing. And I just feel like, especially in the TV department, it's really good. Why?
Why?
Pamodi. Why?
Ukisha. Why?
Pamodi.
Why? Why?
Why?
Why?
Why BHS?
Now, after hearing about all of the various programs we have here at BHS and hearing from some students, I want you to think back to the 3 questions I asked you at the beginning of tonight's virtual open house. What do I want to do after high school? Are these programs a good fit? And will these programs help me reach my goals? Well, what do you think? Which program do you think would be the best fit for you to help you achieve your goals both during and after high school? These are not easy questions, but I hope the information you heard tonight will help you in making the best informed decision you can for your future. If you have any questions, you can put them into the chat and I will do my best to answer them. Finally, I want to tell you all that we will be hosting more specific program virtual open houses and info sessions next week. If I went into all the details about every one of our programs, we would be here all night. So, if you want to learn more, please tune in next week. On Tuesday, March 9th, we will have more information about the vocational and SOAR programs. On Wednesday, March 10th, we will have more information about the Innovation Pathways Healthcare program. And on Thursday, March 11th, we will have more info about the various CTE electives. We will provide specific program information and also be able to answer any targeted questions you may have. Thank you all for joining us tonight. If you are ready to apply, please see your guidance counselor or refer to the infographic you received. Information is also on the BPS website. I hope we see you next week at our specific program info sessions. Enjoy your evening.